I've got this JL Wrangler in the shop, and we are installing a JKS J-Max coilover conversion kit on it. The benefits of having a coilover, there's a few of them here. First of all, we're gonna get more travel and more articulation. The suspension's gonna be a little bit smoother since we're putting everything into one system here. On top of that, you're gonna get more tunability out of it. We've got a dual rate coil spring system here that allows us to change individual spring rates based on the type of off-roading and driving that you're going to be doing with your Jeep. We also have the Fox DSC dual speed coilover dampening control system here. That allows you to fine tune everything on this to get it driving exactly how you want it. What I like about this kit, it's a complete system that converts your coil and spring suspension system to a full-on coilover. This system's pretty cool. It comes with their J-Flex control arms back here. We've got a track bar drop, and then we have the heavy-duty coilover mounts. So we've just wrapped up the front end. You can see what we did here is we cut out the factory coil bucket and shock mounts. This is a bolt-in bracket that goes in. This is gonna house our coilover as well as our hydraulic bump stop. You can see it also comes with the JKS sway bar quick disconnects. To finish it off, we threw on this Apex heavy-duty steering kit here. Again, he's going to be off-roading this vehicle pretty hard, so we wanted to make sure that everything is beefed up and able to handle that abuse that he throws at it. Down here, to prevent any steering wheel shake with the 37-inch tires, we threw on a Fox ATS steering dampener. This is going to keep it nice and smooth, and it is adjustable to dial it in just for the customer's liking. Because of the amount of travel and flex that this kit provides, we did have to change out the front drive shaft. We went with a high-angle Revolution drive shaft here. This will make sure that there's no binding when he is in four-wheel drive and flexing it out on the trails. So we got a few more things to wrap up here. We got to torque everything. We got to bolt on the drive shaft. But after that, we're going to drop it down and see where the initial height is. After we get the initial height, we're going to adjust everything to where we want it, make sure it's even side to side. And then this customer should be ready to rock this weekend. Give it a good shakedown and see how he likes the performance.